Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express. I'm here with part of the team, and we're working on a couple of package units, and we're gonna wash the evaporator coils. You can see, you can see where we're about to spray some of the liquid, the coil cleaner. Here's Juan Carlos, part of the team. He's gonna spray some of that coil cleaner on there and get them nice and clean. We got Arturo here, the other team member. Yep, working on this one here, and we're gonna do this one over here also. So once we get them up and running clean, they'll have more airflow. We're also gonna clean the blower wheels. They're pretty dirty also. So once we get those, we'll have more airflow to go in, and they'll have more heating and cooling inside also. So again, call us for our air conditioning, refrigeration, heating needs 24/7. We also do duct cleaning. We do blown insulation, work on vent hoods, ice machines, walk-in coolers, and freezers 24/7. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com, or you can call us at 512-448-0532, or just look at the link at the bottom. Okay, all right, thanks guys, see you in the next video.